Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Overview. If you want to boost your point earning potential and prefer the Chase Ultimate Reward System, the Chase Freedom Flex will find its way into your wallet. The newest Freedom family member checks off many of the boxes on a perfect credit card wish list. A rewards card with no annual cost is a concept that anybody can support. The Freedom Flex, on the other hand, performs the labor-intensive tasks of more expensive rewards cards with a supercharged earnings plan. While you do not need to have a Chase Freedom Flex card to use this service, Chase does provide access to your VantageScore 3.0 credit score, as well as other useful credit information on the Chase Credit Journey web pages. The security features on this card are in line with industry standards. You could be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Pros. 1. Numerous high-earning reward categories. This card offers several reward categories that offer earnings over the base cashback amount of 1%. 2. Significant one-time bonus for a card with no annual charge. The card comes with an amazing bonus. After spending $500 throughout the first 3 months, you can get $200 back. This is quite kind compared to other no annual fee credit cards. 3. Trip cancellation and interruption insurance. This benefit reimburses prepaid, non-refundable passenger tickets up to $1,500 per person and $6,000 per trip. You must use the card to pay for your trip, and it must be canceled or cut short due to a covered reason for you to be eligible. These include sickness, bad weather, and other things. 4. Offers a lengthy introductory APR that can enable you to pay off larger purchases and transferred balances while accruing points and avoiding interest fees. The APR varies from 16.49% to 25.24%. 5. The Freedom Flex operates on the MasterCard network and includes World Elite MasterCard benefits such as cell phone insurance, perks, and discounts from companies like Lyft, Fandango, Shoprunner, Boxed, and others, hotel benefits. Cons. 1. Charges foreign transaction fees. A 3% foreign transaction fee is applied to purchases made with the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. These costs are levied by several other no annual fee credit cards, but they can soon pile up if you go abroad. 2. Only 1% cash back is earned on all other purchases with this card, which is a modest earning rate. That isn't a major disadvantage, though, given its greater cashback earning rates in some categories and its other advantages. 3. Must turn on the quarterly rotating categories for 5% cash back. You must activate this perk each quarter to receive the bonus rotating quarterly categories 5% cash back. To avoid forgetting to do this, you can create a calendar reminder, but it will take more effort. 4. Earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter when you activate the rotating categories offer. Additionally, you can get 5% cash back on trips booked via Chase, 3% on takeout and drugstore dining, and 1% on all other transactions. We heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. The Chase Freedom Flex card is ideal for customers who don't want to pay an annual fee but still want to earn rewards on all of their purchases. It's an especially good option for those who enjoy rotating bonus categories and can use them to maximize their rewards potential. You receive cash back with the Chase Freedom Flex in the form of Ultimate Rewards points. 1 point is earned and saved for every 1% of your purchases. With Chase Ultimate Rewards, a top rewards program that lets you exchange points for cash back, travel, gift cards, and more, you can get a 5% additional cashback benefit on travel purchases. As long as your account is active, any points you've gained never expire. If your account is canceled due to abuse, fraud, non-payment, bankruptcy, or certain other circumstances, you could lose your points automatically. But with no annual fees, the Freedom Flex stands head and shoulders above the competition. It is a potent workhorse that excels on its own, bringing in significant returns in a variety of categories. As part of a smart card pairing plan, you can also optimize your earnings on every dollar you spend. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 8 out of 10. The benefits are 8 out of 10. The no annual fee is 10 out of 10. The customer experience I would rate as 9/10. If you're wondering whether this card is good for you or not, it stands out as one of the better choices in the no annual fee credit card market when all of the additional benefits it offers are considered. However, simpler cards might be a better fit for those who don't want to deal with changing bonus categories or who don't frequently spend money in the higher earning categories. Almost all of your credit card spending requirements can be handled by Chase Freedom Flex without incurring excessive costs. The card offers boosted earnings structure that includes rotating quarterly bonus categories in areas that many households are likely to find enticing. It's one of the largest no annual fee rewards cards available after adding a potent welcome incentive. This wraps up my review of the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.